Sound the alarm. I'm coming up. We'll have a ball. I'm sweet like a buttercup. You're a Barbie doll. Show them all what I'm made of. Strut down the hall. Won't stop till I get enough. I wanna live right now.
I brush.
Baby, I'm as young as the night. I wanna dance right now.
Hi, I'm Suzanne. Welcome to my channel. And today we're going to learn present simple sentences, basic verbs, and sentences that are explaining our daily routine. I'm also going to include some phrasal verbs to further help higher levels as well. Here we go. So I've just arrived at the train station. So let's get going. And now we're going to go down the stairs. Go down the stairs. Oh. And it's now 6:15. Open the door. Sit down. I look through the window. Now we go down the stairs. Okay, so the train leaves and now I'm going up the stairs because the escalators stopped working. So here we go. This is good exercise for the morning. Okay, so now I cycle to work and it's still dark. It's now 8:10. No, not 8:10. 7:10. So, because I start at 8 o'clock. So, okay, bye. So today we're in El Prat. We're in Plaza Catalunya. And today's the 8th of January. So today everyone will be back to work, back to school. And we've got the Christmas decorations here, so they're going to be taken down today, which is a bit sad for another year. Love the lights, it's really pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to sit down and have a coffee and have a little relax. So I'm going to chill out. That's another phrasal verb. So we're going to sit down here. Ooh, squeaky brakes. Okay, we're still going to sit down here and have a coffee. So, having breakfast. So now it's around 7:30, so I can just relax, chill out for a few minutes, 20 minutes before I go to work. So I'm having my cappuccino because I love my cappuccino. I'm going to put my flask away. So this is another phrasal verb, to put my things away. So we've arrived at school and the next phrasal verb will be I go into school. So we go into school, we have a gate, so I unlock the gate and we're going into school. Oh, some kids are starting to arrive. So we lock up the gate. It's another. We go into school. Oh, it's a bit dark. So I take off my coat because I've arrived at school. Taking off. So I'm setting up my class. Set up means to prepare my things, put the computer on, get my pens out, ready to welcome the class. Have a break. So in Spanish, I think is tener descanso. So there you go. Cheers. Having a coffee. Okay, so I'm leaving school. I go home. So leaving the school. Bye bye. Okay, so I've just arrived home now. It's now 5 to 10. I work in the library from 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock. So I've now just arrived. I don't get the train till 8:30. So now I've just arrived, and there you go. I am home. And my doggies. Hello, doggies. So now it's 10:15. Just got in, take my coat off, and my dog Zena wants to go out for a pee-pee, so we go out for a little walk. So off we go then, Zena. Okay. Oh. No. Oh, and my Zena, and the other one's gone out as well. He thinks he's coming too. Okie dokie. Let's go. So we go down the stairs again. Okay. So we've just done a pee. So let's go back. Come on, let's go back home. Stop playing. Come on. So we go back up the stairs. Hey, Bailey, stop. Bailey. So we're going up the stairs. Bailey. Okay, so we go up the stairs. Okay, so this is my dinner tonight. Just toasted sandwich with probably a little bit of cheese in it. So it's now 10:20 and having dinner. So it's quite late. It's toasted. So we're putting some cheese in. Let's put some slices of cheese in. Likes gourmet food, so loose. So we're going to give him some loose food. So come on then, let's go. Okay. Oh, yummy, yummy. Let's see what that's like. You going to eat it? I think he will. Ooh, let's see. Good boy. So another sentence. I feed my cat. I feed the cat. Okay, let's see if it's ready. Ooh, looking good. Okay, so bon appetit. So I'm eating right now, and it's this time, 10:30. And as soon as I eat that, I shall go to bed. Okay, so I brush my teeth. Okay, I'm in my bedroom and I've got to get undressed. So I undress for bedtime. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm ready for bed in my pajamas, as you can see. And I'm going to get in bed now. So, yeah, good night. See you in the morning. Bye for now. Oh, good night. Good night. Oh.